Hiya, my name's Emma and I work for the Architecture Coast project here in Fylde and Granny's Bay. So today we're really excited to be out with some volunteers and the wonderful BESE team, and we're trialling some saltmarsh restoration technique here at Granny's Bay. So some of that technique that we're using is we're trialling these BESE grids and to help trap sediment and help the salt marsh establish and grow in areas that have been either damaged or degraded by the construction of the seawall, and also where the changes in the new seawall have caused sort of erosion from different wave action that's going on. So today we're going to trial popping out these BESE grids. We're going to trial some transplanting some vegetation, and then we're going to be monitoring this going forward. So we'll be monitoring it by looking at what plants grow and how they sort of establish in these grids, but also looking at the levels of sediment in the marsh as well. So we're really excited to be here with some volunteers today.
Hi, I'm Julie Bale. I'm the Senior Coast and Conservation Officer at Fylde Council. We're out here today for the Our Future Coast project, installing the BESE grid sediment trap to help stabilise and help grow our salt marsh. The reason we want to do that, 6 years ago we had this beautiful new seawall put in. It's offering amazing protection to the coastal communities behind. We're looking at ways of how we can work with nature and natural processes to create a hybrid approach to coastal management. Having a beautiful, healthy salt marsh in front of the seawall will mean long-term the wave energy from the sea level rise coming into the seawalls will be reduced, meaning that our seawall will last longer, and in the future it will need less repairs and won't need to be risen. So we're trying to work with nature, natural processes and hard defences as a combination for coastal management.